free to do what you wish. Yeah, or it should do.